site engineer living in panic condition because of not knowing what and how to supervise the work at construction site? Then please listen to these site technique steps which are to be followed by the engineers at construction site. This will remove your panic. Stage 3 supervision after completion of the work of RCC wall, structure wall of retaining wall. Tip number 7. Check and ensure that in case of any unavoidable damage happened to the concrete while dismantling the formwork, the same shall be rectified immediately with concrete or rich mortar immediately by maintaining smooth finish. Tip number 8. Check and ensure that if any major damage happened due to lean or improper mixed proportion of concrete or improper usage of vibrator or wide cracks developed, etc., the same shall be dismantled immediately and relaying of concrete is done properly. Tip number 9. Check and ensure that no damage to the concrete structure is taking place during the curing period and till backfilling is done. Thanks for listening. We will meet in the next video.